The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
J.R. Sims Smith, Purdue quickly down, Hummel trail, shoots a long three, bullseye! Straight up the middle for Rob Hummel. Jackson at the point, and they're in his zone. Looks like a 2-3. Jackson, left wing, Barlow, back to Lou. Fakes the shot. To Hummel, he'll shoot a three. Got it again! Tyrone to Hummel. Now to Tyrone, open three on the way. Good! I'll tell you what, he's really warming up from outside the arc. Shot in the corner by Barlow. Good! And it's a three-pointer from the deep right corner. Lewis Jackson to Ryan Smith. Back to Lou, he'll shoot a three-pointer. Good! And Purdue is able to corral the rebound. Ryan Smith, a triple. Good! Hummel, a three, left side. And what a rebound basket by Anthony Johnson. Wow! Way above the rim to slam it down off the miss by Hummel. Bird then picks it up after Lawson lost it. Lawson gets it back. Hummel to Bird. Bird shoots a three. Good!
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted